I learned that a body was found near this household. It's honestly very tragic. Multiple bodies were found near this location. There was one of a child's corpse, which had looked eaten, which I think was just the wildlife, in the front porch. People say something attacked the poor kid, which I think might have been a hyena, you know. Hyenas do live out here, and sometimes they do get a little angry. However, what I can't explain is why 2 adult people were found dead in this ditch right here. People say that, well, not people, but the police say that it looked like they had, something had started eating these bodies, which I think can just be summed up to the wildlife again. I mean, it's dead bodies. Of course, something's gonna take a little bit of a snack with these bodies. Some people have said that these Slenderman-looking things have attacked these people, but honestly, I don't believe that. Like, seriously, who in their right mind would think Slenderman came out of the woods or something to kill, like, 3 people? I mean, I'm sure he would kill, like, a lot of more people. Plus, it's just a fictional creepypasta story. People say they had, like, long claws or whatever. And they kind of looked like humans, which, what monster doesn't look like humans at this point? I mean, a lot of monsters look humanoid, so. Yeah, honestly, I'm not calling this one real. However, I did find scratch marks on one of those trees over there, but it's probably just another hyena, because they do live around here in this town. But I also don't know what to do about it, since a lot of people have also been killed and probably eaten by whatever this thing is. So, I don't know. I'm not an autopsy report person or whatever. I'm just here to tell more about what happened. I don't know what to do anymore about these bodies.